Okay, so I had a lot of interest in my last tech house bassline tutorial. So I've made a follow-up for you, and in this one I'm going to show you a super fast trick that I use to create awesome deep subby bass lines. So if you make deep house, Romanian house, minimal house, even something like minimal techno, basically anything with really deep sub bass lines in it, you're absolutely going to love this trick. So I'm going to give you the recipe from start to finish. We're going to be sampling from other tracks. So the first thing you're going to want to do is listen out for tunes that you love the bass line and it's really deep. We're talking proper sub bass here. So here's an example of a track that I like. So you can hear it's got a really deep bass line in there. Not a lot of frequencies going on in the mid-range of that bass. Step 2, you need to find an area of the track that's quite stripped back. So this is the intro, but maybe it'll be the outro, or perhaps it's going to be a breakdown. But you want to find an area where there's not an absolute ton of stuff going on. And from there, you very simply apply a filter. So we're going to take out the top end. So you can hear I've mainly just got the real subby stuff in here now. Then a sidechain compressor that's going to come from your kick drum. And we're ready to go. Step 2, slice up the hits. In fact, that's step 3, isn't it? First one was find it. Second one was the filtering and the sidechain. Now we're going to go in and we're going to slice this up. So I'm literally just looking visually and using Command E, I'm going to slice wherever I think a hit starts and finishes. And no need to be anal about this. Literally just go in and visually do what you think is right. Let's go there maybe for that one. And I'm going to include the kick drums in this. And then it is simply a job of rearranging this. Now you're going to want to rearrange it with some other drums playing. And I've got a kick, a tops loop, a vinyl layer going on there. And a little hack for you, I like to duplicate this out. And then on this lower track, I'm literally just going to come in and start grabbing bits and plonking them in wherever I see fit. So at the moment, we've just got my own bass line that I'm mixing up and messing about with here, and that is going to be playing with my kicks, tops loop, and vinyl layer. So let's have a look. Let's bring maybe this thing in here somewhere. Put that there. Let's see what we got so far. Sounding pretty good. Duplicate. Let's fill out this space with something interesting. Why don't we grab the kick drum from the beginning, see what happens if we put that in here. No idea. Let's have a listen. Happy with that? Let's do another one. Kind of feels a bit like cheating. Let's bring that one in here this time. Let's have the kick drum in. Maybe we're going to put that in there. We'll take the end off of it. Let's get these cool bits. This one can go in maybe here. Whatever this is can go in here. Let's have a listen. Cool. Like that bit at the end. So let's maybe do something interesting here. Let's get rid of this maybe this time and we'll swap it out. Let's plop that one in. I'm going to have to shorten it first. In it goes, and here we go. And there you have it. How quick is that? So I got a few other tips for you on this as well. You can get really great results sampling from different records and combining the low ends. Lots of variety to be had there. Also sampling from different genres, whether it's funk records, drum and bass, hip hop, anything is fair game to give you some really nice textures for your low end. And then finally, consider layering a mid-range bass, perhaps just on the accents that you like to really make the bass line pop out. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you want more tips like this, I've chucked a link underneath the video for you. You can grab yourself a copy of the free Finish More Music 101 Tips for House and Techno Producers ebook. I've also included in that a bunch of my favorite sample packs and software for you to check out. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Take care. Until next time, happy music making.